In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect ManyChat from a Facebook page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect when you remove a page from your ManyChat workspace. Before we begin, a quick but important note. Removing a page disconnects ManyChat completely from that page and permanently deletes all Facebook contacts stored inside ManyChat for that page. It does not delete your Facebook page itself, but the contact data inside ManyChat is removed and cannot be recovered. If you might need that data later, consider exporting or documenting what you need before moving forward. Start by logging in to your ManyChat account. Once you're in, you'll arrive at the dashboard. If you don't land there automatically, look for the dashboard option in the main navigation and open it so you can see the overview of your workspace and channels. Next, head to Settings. You'll find it in the left-hand menu, typically represented by a gear icon. Settings is where all your channel connections and account controls live, so it's the right place to make changes to how your page is connected. Inside Settings, select the Messenger section. This is the channel connection area specifically for Facebook Messenger. If your Facebook page is connected, you'll see its details here, along with options related to Messenger features and permissions. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom of the Messenger page. This is where the removal control is located. Look for the Remove Facebook Page option. This button is intentionally placed at the bottom to help you review your setup before making a permanent change. Click Remove Facebook Page. A confirmation prompt will appear, explaining that disconnecting will remove the page from ManyChat and delete all Facebook contacts inside ManyChat associated with it. Take a moment to read that message carefully and ensure you're removing the correct page, especially if you manage multiple pages or workspaces. When you're sure, confirm Remove. ManyChat will process the change and disconnect the page. After this, any automations, flows, or widgets tied to that page's messenger will stop working. If you later decide to reconnect the same page, you can return to the messenger settings and connect it again. But keep in mind that previously deleted contacts will not be restored. That's it. You've successfully disconnected a Facebook page from ManyChat. Remember to double-check which page you're removing, understand the data implications, and if needed, save any critical information beforehand. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and stress-free.